In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send crypto to any wallet address on Coinbase. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish, so you can send funds confidently and avoid the most common mistakes. First, head to the destination wallet, the place where you want the crypto to arrive. Copy the wallet address for the exact asset and network you plan to use. This part is critical. The address and network must match the cryptocurrency you're sending. For example, a Bitcoin address is different from an Ethereum address, and sending to the wrong one can result in a permanent loss. Take a moment to double check the address format and network selection in that destination wallet before moving on. Now, open your Coinbase app or sign in on the Coinbase website. If you're new or need the official links, you'll find the Coinbase app download and the website link right at the top of the description, so you can install the app or access the site safely. On the Coinbase homepage, look for Send Crypto and tap or click it. You'll see a field for the recipient address. Paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Give it a careful look. Compare the first few and last few characters with what you copied to ensure it matches. Many people like to use the QR scanner in the app when available, because it reduces the chance of typos. Next, choose the asset you want to send. This determines the network and the fee structure, so make sure it matches the address you pasted. Then, enter the amount you want to send. You can usually toggle between entering the amount in crypto units or in your local currency. Be mindful that network fees can affect the final amount received. Before you send, select Preview to review every detail. Confirm the recipient address, the asset, the network, the amount, the estimated fee, and the total leaving your account. If anything looks off, go back and correct it now. Some assets support a memo, tag, or note. If the destination wallet requires one, for example, certain exchanges or networks, add it here. If it's optional, you can use it for your own reference. When everything looks good, confirm and complete the prompt to send your crypto. Depending on your security settings, Coinbase may ask you to verify with a code or authenticator app. After sending, you'll see a confirmation, and you can track the transaction status. Keep in mind that blockchain confirmations can take time depending on network congestion. That's it. You've sent crypto safely using Coinbase. Thanks for watching.